What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Will Motivation. And in today's video, my last video was a monthly payment on this car, which was $1,878 per month. But luckily we don't have to pay that because we paid the car off. But I do have a big payment every month that I really don't like. And I feel like I'm overpaying for this. So to understand your most expensive payments you're gonna have to make on a Ferrari SF90, a lot of you guys would think it's gonna be maintenance, but it actually is not maintenance, because if you buy a car like this, the oldest ones are 2020. This one's actually a 2021. For 2020, you have 7 years of free maintenance, and this is a 2021. So this one is good through 2028. Free maintenance with Ferrari. And it also has a warranty on it for 2 years as a Ferrari pre-owned certified vehicle. So it's not your maintenance. It is not your repairs or anything like that. The most expensive payment you're gonna have, or expensive thing you're gonna have on a car like this, is going to be the freaking insurance. This is hands down the most expensive car I've ever owned or had to insure, at $820 freaking bucks per month. And I looked at that, I think when I signed up and I signed a deal to get insurance on this car, I want to say it was like 400 bucks a month. And at some point they raised the price on me, probably thinking I wouldn't see it because I didn't see it until I actually looked close. I assumed that was like for 2 months, but they're charging me $820 bucks a month. So I'm actually gonna have to check on that, because it's just too much. Maybe part of it is because of the fact that I'm in Florida, and Florida drivers, no shots fired, but most of you guys who live here are not even from here. But there's a lot of bad drivers in Florida. So your insurance is gonna be higher because the chances of somebody hitting you are probably greater. So the biggest expense you're gonna have on your SF90 is probably gonna be the insurance, unless you have a car payment on it, of course. But that is a disappointing thing, because I really didn't realize it was that high. So I am actually going to check. And if anybody lives in Florida and you know, like, good place to insure exotics, I've always used State Farm with my exotics. But in Ohio, like I said, it's a lot cheaper. Like, this definitely would have been like probably like $300 a month to insure in Ohio. But there's something wrong with them charging me $800 a month. I got to get that fixed. That's freaking ridiculous. Like, if I can't get a better price than that, I don't know, man. I don't like throwing that's like what, $9,600 per year in insurance? Yeah, that's too much. So I got to get that taken care of. But right now, that's the biggest expense on the Ferrari SF90. So as I do is customary, I try to get straight to the point and tell you what if I say the title of the video is XYZ, that's what it is. So, hey, I want to share that with you. But for those of you guys that want to stick around. You recording? Come in. We got to get Keston. Race car friends.
What's up, what's up?
Shout out your channel, brother.
Race car friends, man. Like, we started out doing the racing content and all the race cars and stuff, but as the economy flipped and stuff, we're trying to focus more on ways people can make money with their vehicles and getting like cost-effective vehicles and stuff like that. But stay tuned, the race car content is coming back soon, so stay tuned.
So that's Keston. We're getting ready to take the Ferrari SF90 to put the Motivo spec wheels on the car. So stay tuned for that. We'll take you guys, we'll see what's in the dealership. We always got to do that since we're going to go all the way out there. So yeah, let's go for a ride.
I gotta say something. The wheels that he's putting on these are the lightest wheels I've ever felt in my life. Like, I can't believe that they're real.
They're gonna be fast. All right, let's hit Ferrari of Orlando. Let's go. Oh, you want? All right, so we are in the SF90. Make sure if you didn't see my last video, monthly payment, check that out. But we're getting this car all the way together. The first part was the wrap. Now we need the wheels. We got it lowered and it's gonna be perfect. So this is really gonna be something y'all need to check out, so stay tuned. What is this? CarPlay. All right.
I'm driving on SF90. Dream them real, me nah move slow. Study the game, know the blessings flow. Smart work, only that me could. I'm driving on SF90. Vision clear everywhere me go. Build it smart, know the whole world know. Maximum potential, watch me glow. Late night grind me dep on focus. Enough man talk but them never notice. Booked and hustle build emotion. Now
sí, está conduciendo.
Just preparation. Knowledge turn into elevation. Mastercraft, dedication. Dream chasing, more occupation. Yeah. Rise up. Step by step, me design life. Patience turn, struggle bright. Work smart, keep mind right. Now the future shine bright. Me driving on SF90. Dream them real, me nah move slow. Study the game, now the blessings flow. Smart work, only that me could. Oh, me driving on SF90. Vision clear everywhere me go. Build it smart, now the whole world know. Maximum potential, watch me glow. Oh, oh, cruising, city lights, engine, loud all night. Stay learn, stay wise, future bright, rise. Palm tree breeze, sunset driving, every mile show me driving. Smart decisions keep me rising, purpose strong, no compromising. Silent winds, loud results, knowledge richer than the vault. Stay humble, never false, faith and action, pay the cost. Oh, me driving on SF90. Dream them real, me nah move slow. Study the game, know the blessings flow. Smart work, only that me could. Oh, me driving on SF90. Vision clear everywhere me go. Build it smart, now the whole world know. Maximum potential, watch me glow. Oh, oh, with motivation. Stay driven. Yeah. We love you. Yeah. Yeah.
All right, so successful drop off of the Ferrari SF90. There was a $2 million Ferrari V12 GTO in the back, and we were carrying the tires and wheels around it. We had to be careful not to drop some wheels. I like that Porsche right there though. Black. It's nice. Let's go see what Ferraris they have. We're in a Ferrari dealership. We gotta see the Ferraris. Let's go. Look at that. V12 Maybach. Let's go. Oh wait. Wait a minute. How we gotta go outside? Oh, look this way. Yeah. Look at all of those. Look at that bad boy.
Which one?
The yellow one.
Yeah.
That's crazy. That one up there. They got some crazy stuff in here, bro. Look at that.
Mercedes took me for, oh wow.
Yeah, that Mercedes is a race car.
Yeah, wow.
Let's see what they got in here.
And this is the service.
Crazy. Spec, that's probably the nicest spec I've seen. You like this SUV?
Which one?
It's V12 too.
Yeah.
Word?
Yeah. V12. That's
I would take that over.
with the
over
yellow.
70 days a week.
That's nasty. That is nasty. It just needs yellow seats.
It's actually, now I'm looking at it.
I would if I just had unlimited. If I had unlimited, what's the price? He said his price right.
Price right for a V12?
Phew. What do you think about that?
I actually like this better.
Yeah, me too. There's something about the way they did the front don't look right. That's crazy though.
Fan of this.
Look, it's got the painted shield. The painted shield is how much? It doesn't even say. It's probably like 8,000 for the painted shield. You like it?
There's not even that much flake in it. It's just
It's kind of like a matte, kind of like a. Yeah, you're right. It doesn't have a whole lot of flake in it. It's nice though. 296. Aperta. Topless.
This is a 296? Mm-hmm. It looks bigger.
Yeah, it does. Got a little presence to it. This may be my next Ferrari. Get a black one, red seats.
You know, I used to compare the 296 to the Lotus Emira. I can't do it no more.
Yeah, it's a good amount bigger.
Yeah.
Nice. What do you think about these red seats in this one?
I have a feeling this drives smoother though.
Oh, yeah. All right, so we're back with Keston, the most famous YouTuber out there.
Eventually.
Look, food vlog. If y'all haven't got onto this Shake Shack chicken sandwich, this is your first time having it.
First
Oh,
time.
give it a shot. Give it a try.
Let's see what all the fuss is about.
Give it a try. I need to go get a little knife.
Interesting.
It's got flavor, doesn't it? It's for real.
Very nice.
Yeah, this
Wow.
for real, for real.
Even
got-
the texture of it is good.
Yeah, chicken is good here. Better than the hamburger.
Overall,
Yeah, it's better than the
I
hamburger.
wasn't expecting that. It actually caught me by surprise.
It's a good bite right there. That's a good. You probably mouth watering watching this.
It wasn't on my radar, but it is.
So you're thinking about joining my channel, or maybe if you haven't thought about joining my channel, maybe you should, because channel members on my channel get access to exclusive content with exclusive cars, like this here Lamborghini Revuelto, like this here Ferrari F8, like this here behind me Lamborghini Huracan Technica, or even the Porsche almost said a new car that I have on the channel that you guys don't know about. But this Porsche 911 Carrera T, the RS3, all of the videos that I upload on this channel, my channel members get to see those videos first as soon as I push them out, and then they're released on a schedule. I already have about 10 videos lined up that only my channel members have access to. If you're considering joining my channel, now's a good time. I definitely will shout you guys out. I'll answer your questions in my live stream with priority. So hey, join my channel subscription through YouTube and get access to exclusive content just for you, and early access to content that I release on the channel sometimes as early as 2 or 3 weeks in advance. So yeah, if you want the loose scoop, I got 2 cars that I haven't even released on the channel yet. So stay tuned, hit that join button. Hey, and join the exclusive section of our membership on the channel here on YouTube. Peace. Here with another video on how to turn $7,000 into over $100,000 in one single real estate investment transaction. You'll learn not only how to do flips, but also you'll learn the benefits of buying and holding and owning real estate for the long haul as rental property. So what do you do when you're interested in investing or spending money on something, or spending time, energy, and money on something? You study. You know what? I can buy these houses for cheap prices and then rent them out, make a profit on them, and then it'll just be another business. So if you don't already own a home or own a house, you should buy a house that is a good house that will turn into a good investment. Yo, what's up? It's your boy Will Motivation, and today we're talking about my advice on the #1 way for you to get started investing in real estate.
It's the one and only Floyd Money Mayweather. I'm here to tell you guys to go to Will Motivation. The exotic cars is crazy. I've been watching this show for a little while now and it's growing. But we need everybody else to subscribe to Will Motivation and support Will. I'm supporting them. You do the same.
Welcome to Will Motivation. Will Motivation, leave out all the hating. This is Motivation Nation, where we have fun and make moves, so stop waiting.